This is the LPG Podcast Network. Iba't ibang kwento ang matutunghayan sa ito ang Confessions. Mga kwento mo, babasahin ko. Dear LTG, okay, I don't really have a very interesting confession, or at least a confession that could last an hour or a half. But I think that's because my life became more boring and boring. Before quarantine, I used to be a very sociable kid. I made friends with everyone. I talk a lot to any random person. And I used to do a lot like dance or sing and shit. However, when 2020 came and quarantine was announced, I was obviously saddened that I can't go outside. But I eventually channeled that inner extrovert of mine through online games like Among Us or Roblox, before the controversy. Skip past to 2023, my old school kicked me out along with other soon grade 6 students because they quote unquote no longer accepting elementary students anymore. And I moved into a new school, and suddenly I felt different. My old friends from high school are there, but I couldn't seem to talk to them. I became more erratic, and I almost got suspended for hitting a student. And now I graduated elementary without any friends. But I guess it doesn't matter since my sister was moving to another school in another city and I wanted to follow her. So I moved to a new city. Now I'm a high schooler now. And in a different school, and yet I still didn't make any friends. It's just a repeat from grade 6. It's hard to talk to anyone. My behavior becomes more erratic, and I move up to another grading without anyone close. This year's worse too, as when I eventually met a close friend, his parents suddenly decided to move him into a completely new city. Eventually, I was stuck at square one again. I started to wonder how or why that happened. Maybe it's because I gained a lot of weight than before quarantine. Or maybe I watched too much YouTube that I essentially created my own circle that's much different from my surroundings. Or maybe there's something that happened that led me to this introverted personality. Like my dad exposed my diary to the whole family, or my mother always telling me everyone and anyone about every single little thing she observes from me. This year, I think it worsened. I essentially made myself an enemy that could easily manipulate to the teacher and students about every action I do. My family open began to address my personality change, often reminiscing about my extroverted past and mockingly ask what happened to your past self. And now the only way I could talk about my personal life is to a random confession show on a niche online radio station. I'm getting closer and closer into that graduation, and I've only dehumanized myself more and more. And I think losing this server is probably the only string left to drive me into a far worse path that I'm in now. I'm sorry if my confession isn't good enough, or it feels like a nothing burger to the audience. I just don't have anything to say other than I hate myself. My name is Chris, and this is my confession. Wait lang ah. Wait lang. Sobrang bigat ng sinabi ni Chris doon dahil iba eh. Iba yung bigat ng parang yung confession na to is like you are extroverted before, like talagang social parang hindi para ba social climber pero in a good way. And then after that bigla na lang poop, it's gone. And parang naging alam niyo parang Among Us, it is just an introverted self. Ganun na nangyari sa kanya. And hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun nangyayari sa kanya dahil para bang may problema ba sa behavior dahil nagkaroon nga ng quarantine like 2020 and then bigla na lang napatawag na quote-unquote malapit na daw siyang ma-expel sa kanyang eskwelahan. And it's actually sad na ganun na nangyari at hindi ko alam na bakit humantong sa ganun at saka bakit hindi ba paano ba sabihin bakit hindi humantong sa tama na to kaya natin to, pwede nating pwede natin tong pag desisyonan, pwede ba natin tong pag if we don't have any friends na talaga anymore, edi cut off na. Sabi na dito sabi ni Chris dito on his confession, quote unquote, he dehumanized himself more and more. Yan ba yung nangyari dahil it's either probably you just being an introvert now rather than an extrovert, or hati na naging ambivert ka na parang from a friendly guy parang naging outcast ka bigla. I don't know, pero I hope na yung confession mo dito, ang hirap kasi na masabihan na oy, hanggang ganito ka na lang. And then wala na, 'di ba? And hindi ko alam kung bakit humantong pa sa bakit humantong sa ganun, pero sana yung confession mo dito is paano ko ba sabihin, like yeah, it is good enough naman. It is good enough naman, Chris. Ang payo ko lang dito talaga is hindi sa pagka-introvert mo yung yung problema. You can be an introvert with you can be an introvert but being friendly. Like ako kasi alam ng mga nasa conventions to. Ako talaga I'm an introvert. Pero yung pagka-introvert ko, tinatanggal ko sa mga gatherings katulad ng conventions, meetups. Alam ng mga friends ko dito sa sa Purple App tsaka sa TikTok. Alam nila yan, and kapag nakita nyo ako, it will be like friendly as hell. It will be friendly as hell. And sana ma-divert mo yung pagka-introvert mo sa ibang bagay. Yun lang masasabi ko. Ma-divert mo yung pagka-introvert mo, and I hope na makahanap ka ulit ng panibagong kaibigan if kasi like sabi mo dito, you gain a lot of weight. And then, parang after ng quarantine, you gain a lot of weight and parang nawalan ka ng confidence sa sarili. Hindi magwo-work sa iba kung talagang hindi talaga magwo-work. Pero sa akin kasi nag-work. Like, lahat ng mga friends ko ng quarantine talaga nagdala. And I'm glad na na-meet ko sila, and I'm glad na naglalaro pa rin kami. And I'm glad na andun pa rin sila, nakasuporta sila sa akin. Kung ano yung parang maganda, parang magandang gawin ba, kumbaga. Anyways, sa mga nandito sa Discord, sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga platforms on the Purple app, and grabe, ang 4 na kagad yung confessions nakita ko kagad. Anyways, ang hirap makapag-converse dito sa confession na to. Grabe, 4 na kagad yung nakita kong confession na pwede natin Pero mamaya, sa ating pagbabalik, we are paano ba sabihin? We are going on to thoughts on ano kaya yung parang gusto nilang pahiwatig dito, lalo na sa ating mga Discord audiences ngayong gabi. Medyo konti lang tayo. Hello, shoutout muna tayo sa mga nandito, si Leon, Mika Lim, si Staros, si Bossio, and syempre one and only Pangulong Meps. One and only Pangulong Mep. And by the way, sa ating pagbabalik again, pupunta po tayo sa ating pabalik. Pupunta po tayo sa ating topic ngayon, which is bakit ba yung sinabi ni Chris dito is somewhat a really bad when it comes to being an introvert, na parang naging nawala ng self-confidence. Okay, nag-alay yung isang kwento natin sabi daw ni Kuya Adrian sa empathizing para kay Chris. Sabi daw ni kay Adrian, I empathize with Chris. Maybe I could share a few words of encouragement. We have a friends for a season or period, and we have friends na pangmatagalan. A lot of years ahead of you, kaya remain open to new friends, and perhaps you can reconnect with your friends from elementary or high school. We appreciate online connections, yes, but there's life that we live in person. Hindi na tayo nag-iisa. If possible, baka there's a guidance counselor na you can share these things with. Baka makatulong din siya. Hopefully, you can muster the courage to tell your friends how you feel with what they did, the diary, and the observations. Life drags us to hate ourselves, but let's learn to give ourselves grace. Give a little bit each day. I think tayo rin naman ang best advocate ng sarili natin. I'm not saying I'm not good at this or I'm good at this, but I hope it somehow makes sense. Praying for peace and courage sa'yo, Chris. Well, not gonna lie, what a analysis. Kanina sinabi ko na kanina, syempre, you have to make some friends along the way talaga, kasi nagalala, if you don't have any friends, kahit na ano man yan, kahit na Discord man yan, kahit saan lupalop man yan ng mundo, hindi ka mabubuhay kung wala kang pamilya. Mas lalo kang hindi mabubuhay ng masaya kung wala kang matinong kaibigan. Diba? At talagang yun lang yung masabi ko, mahirap lang talaga na humantong pa sa ganon, pero wala tayong choice at wala talaga tayong masasabi about yan. Pero hats off sa'yo, Chris. Not gonna lie, I hope na magkaroon ka pa ng napakagandang future endeavors, napakagandang friends in the future. Yun lang masasabi ko. Thank you so much, Chris, sa pagbabahagi ng ating confession for the pilot episode ngayong gabi. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok dito sa Ito Ang Confession. I am Laro Tayo Gaming na nagpapaalalang. Ay, nakalimutan ko na ito yung napapaalala. Joke lang. Ako po ang inyong generic gaming VTuber Laro Tayo Gaming na nagpapaalalang ang inyong kwento ay sumasalamin sa bawat buhay nyo. See you next Friday! Dito pa rin yan sa Ito Ang Confession. Woo! Let's go! Wait lang. Ito ang Confessions. Mga kwento mo, babasahin ko. Ito ang Confessions. This is the LPG Podcast Network.